Replacing a roof in Vancouver isn't just about shingles. It's about engineering for our unique coastal climate. Here is the step-by-step workflow for 2026. It starts with a forensic inspection. We look for moisture ingress and structural integrity, specifically checking how your current system handles our heavy rainfall. Next, we protect your property. High-grade tarps and plywood covers ensure your landscaping and siding remain untouched during the teardown process. The foundation is critical. In Vancouver, we use advanced waterproof underlayments to provide a secondary barrier against wind-driven rain and dampness. Then comes the installation. Whether it's asphalt shingles or synthetic shakes, precision nailing and proper alignment are key to long-term performance. We pay special attention to detailing. Custom flashing and high-flow ventilation are installed to prevent leaks and manage attic moisture levels. Finally, a meticulous cleanup. We sweep the site for nails and debris, followed by a multi-point inspection to ensure every detail meets our standards. A professional workflow means peace of mind for decades. For your Vancouver home, don't settle for less than expertise.